Hear me. Listen closely. I'll take you to experience the silence of the night, the gentle blue waves, and the music of Giulia awakening. Let me forge your moments to treasure. I will select voices, noises, laughter, and echoes. And above them, I'll write your name. Now, open your eyes. Cherish this moment with me. Witness the colors of land and sea. Stare at the first sunlight above the horizon. I will reveal to you the Pulian light, and it will guide our journey across unbeaten paths and remarkable encounters. Live me, feel me as part of your inner soul. I will gift you with the emotions I've promised among my people, my flavors, my culture. Follow me among new faces and ancient stories. I'll be the next story impressed into your memory. I am gaze, soul, and desire. I am your experience.